Okay, gang, so if we look at 3.2 number 105, you're supposed to calculate the velocity for each of these linear segments. So to calculate the velocity, that would just be the change in distance over the change in time, right? The change in the distance over the change in time. So velocity, that's going to be your change in distance over your change in time. So most students do this right, but what they do is what I have over here, and I'll just sort of explain why you're getting confused when you look in the back of the book. But so most people know for each of these segments, you just have to calculate the slope, right? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I did that for each of the 3 separate lines. And I put it over here. Now, the reason why students tend to get confused on this one is because in the back of the book, you have the right answer. It's just that the book is not doing miles per minute, right? This is in miles per minute. What they're doing in the back of the book is miles per hour. So if you convert the same graph to miles per hour, you have to do the conversion on the minutes. So remember, minutes is there's 1 hour and 60 minutes, but when you do the formula, time's on the bottom. So you're putting the fraction on the bottom. So you're doing the 1 over in the bottom, which means it actually flips up to the numerator, right? Because if you have something divided by a fraction, whatever your fraction is, a over b, that's the same thing as something times b over a, right? It flips up. So here I am multiplying by 60 because you'll go a lot more, you'll do a lot more miles in an hour than you will in a few minutes, right? So the number should be a lot larger. So that's why the book is getting the 30, the 0, and the 60, because they're multiplying, they're converting the unit to miles per hour versus miles per minute. Okay, so I think this is usually where the confusion happens, because a lot of students have this graph over here, miles per minute. It's not wrong. It's not wrong if you have it like this. It's just this is the way they're presenting it in the back, miles per hour. All right, gang, that's it on this one. Catch you.